Today is the day where we have bagged our first ever client. It's the start of my business today of car detailing. I'm really excited. We've got the client waiting at the house. We're driving to them. We're doing an interior clean today, so let's get straight into it, and hopefully they're happy and we are getting paid, which is always a bonus. So we're going to do a before and after. Here's the before.
Tryna slide for the night. Who tryna weapon I? Know my name, say my name. Tell the diamonds on my chain, eliminate. I can never be your main, but tell your main. You gon' have to call him back another time. Girl, let's get high, then ride, go up, get live, get right here and now. Yeah, tell me, who tryna go? Who gon' drop it down like it's money on the floor? Who tryna bust it for the dollars? Who tryna freak, bring the whole girl and run it? She my spicy little mama. She let me bust a pinata. I buy her all the designer, but she still leaving tomorrow.
She tryna pull my pants down. I was setting up a star on my break time. Told her, babe, I got on me on FaceTime. She don't care, my little mama, no waste time. Real quick, so you can see it in the fucking lipstick. Look at me like you fuck what I think. She bad, she crazy, but I like it. Shawty so bad, man, shawty so cold. Wanna go out, 25 years old. Met her in the club, they were playing psycho. Now we match APs and they all rose gold. And
tryna go? Who gon' drop it down like it's money on the floor? Who tryna bust it for the dollars? Who tryna freak, bring her home, girl, and run it? She my spicy little mama. She let me